Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the UFO Gaming Token on your Trust Wallet mobile. First of all, you need to note that this token is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So with that in mind, you simply scroll down till you get to its about and simply copy its contract address. Once copied, you minimize, open up your Trust Wallet, head over to the browser section, and please make sure you possess Ethereum for transactions. Once at the browser section, click on Uniswap Exchange, and once Uniswap has opened, make sure you use the icon at the top right corner of the screen, and using the settings gear, you get to disconnect and connect your wallet by using the disconnect icon right there. The gaming UFO can be bought by simply clicking on select token, pasting the contract address we just copied, so press and hold, paste, and here we go, UFO Gaming. Click on this, click on continue, and now by simply entering 0.0001 $1.65, we're getting a good amount of the UFO, about 1 million plus. And in the space of insufficient balance, you simply click on swap, confirm swap, and the transaction is done. As you can see, the gas fee here cost $5.55. So if you're looking to get it done for cheaper, another option would be to simply minimize and open up your KuCoin. By simply opening up your KuCoin, you then head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen, which is here. Click on trade, and then click on XMR/USDT or whatever shows there. Click on this. In the option for the search, you search for UFO, and the UFO Gaming is shown. Our next step is to make sure you contain USDT for this transaction to work. Since we are going to be trading directly on the spot market, you must possess some sort of USDT to be able to trade this token. So what you do is enter the amount of UFO you'd like to buy. Let's go with 1,800,000. Okay, let's just go with this 1 million, $1.60. Click on buy. You must possess USDT in order for the transaction to go through. But once you're able to get the transaction done, you simply head over to your assets menu, where you simply scroll till you see funding. You simply use the search icon to search for UFO, the token you possess. Click on UFO, click on this option that shows withdraw, click on withdraw. It then shows you your UFO Gaming. You then paste the address you just copied, that's your UFO address here. In order to do that, open up your Trust Wallet, close Uniswap, and use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Search for UFO, and UFO is here. This is it. It also shows as the truth. So you simply click on receive, copy this address, open up KuCoin, paste the address, select the network, which is Ethereum, input the amount you'd like to withdraw, and simply click on withdraw. By using the link at the bottom of the video, by using the link in the video, you get up to $3,200 worth of rebates in trading fees. So guys, that's how you can simply buy the UFO Gaming on your Trust Wallets.